Hey guys, what's going on? I had these here bulbs installed on the truck, and this one here on the right went bad. The high beam stopped working. This was just like 3 days ago, beginning of the week. I have it on video. I felt pretty stupid, but I contacted the guy on eBay. Look at this, it's Thursday. I already got a new bulb. So I was pretty psyched about that. Still some good people out there on YouTube. And then I also got this new toy. How sick do those look? They're kind of small, so I'm thinking they're going to be kind of high pitched. But tritone, like train horn. It's going to replace the horns on the truck. I just want to see what they sound like, so I'm going to go air up the compressor and give them a blow. Alright, so I got horn set up out here. Just got a battery charger on the solenoid just to open it up. And compressor and my hose. Just hook it up. I haven't tested them yet, so this is gonna be new to me. Kind of high pitched. Not sure if I like them yet. I don't know. Didn't even sound like all three of them were going off there. But I'm sure I'll test them some other time too. Later. Alright, so I tested each horn individually, and they're pretty high pitched. Pretty loud though. The big one there, it's not too high pitched, but these other two are just really high pitched. Oh well. Alright, we're going to do another test of the air horn since the other one sucked. I got more pressure in it now. Got my iced coffee. So, let's take and hook up alligator clips. Wait till I tell you to, Zach.
Is it on?
Yeah, hold on. Alright, they're ready. It's on.
Oh.
So what do you think?
They're loud.
You think they're a little too high pitched?
A little bit.
What about you two? Here, come over here. What's your opinion of them?
They're too high pitched.
And you?
They're really too high pitched.
I can do it again.
Alright, now do it.